This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Schuler. Looking for a gorgeous low-maintenance home with year-round long-range mountain views? You found it. Very well maintained. Discover the charm of this beautiful brick home. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an all-in-one level layout with a desirable split floor plan. Enjoy the spacious, open living room and kitchen area with all stainless steel appliances and a stone gas log fireplace perfect for entertaining and family gatherings. Also, enjoy a nice 2-car garage. Relax on the fenced-in patio. 2-car garage and so much more. Don't miss out on this rare gem with unparalleled vistas and peaceful surroundings. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Schuler at 828